I am Moulika, Assistant Professor in CSM from St. Peter's Engineering College. Today I am going to explain network layer and routing concepts. So network layer is the third layer in the OSI model, and the basics of network layer are: first one, it handles requests from the transport layer and also processes those requests and forwards to the data link layer. And the next one is it translates logical address into physical addresses and also vice versa. And the third one is it determines the best route through which the packet need to be transferred. And the functions of network layer are: first one is addressing. The data link layer implements the physical addressing and the network layer implements the logical addressing. That is, whatever the addresses that has been received from the data link layer were converted into logical addressing by the network layer. And the next one is connection model. It refers to how, in which way the data packets need to be transferred, and the message forwarding or routing. It is the router's core job of moving packets from input port to correct output port. It determines the best route through which the packet need to be traveled to the destination. Next one is the role of network layer. The network layer is responsible for delivery of packets from source host to destination host. Here it receives the packet from transport layer and appends the header file. That is, here the address is nothing but the logical address, and it is given to the data link layer, and here the logical address has been discarded when it is being transported to the transport layer. Next one, we have four kinds of addresses. First one is the physical address, logical address, port address, and specific address. We'll see in detail of all these addresses are. If you see here, in the first layer, that is the application layer, we have the processes. For these processes we have specific addresses, and in the transport layer these specific addresses were appended with the port address for each application. And in the network layer, here we append the logical address. Logical address is given to the system, and in the data link layer, for this logical address we append the physical address. Here are the functions of the network layer. First one is the host addressing, connection model, and message forwarding. We have seen the host addressing.